Hey, what's up? Legal tip. What is the Real Estate Commission saying? I'm going to grab my screen here real quick and tell you what they're saying. But first, check this out. This is pretty cool. CBS Chicago, Channel 2. Got a little website here, national news. And lo and behold, look at here. Who is this? But Cynthia Blair. What's Cynthia Blair doing in Chicago National News? Look at her. She's talking about internet fraud, wire fraud, all the things that we've been talking about in these legal tips. And there she is. CBS Chicago. How cool is that? Even mentions Blair Kato in the article. So Blair Kato making national news, Cynthia Blair doing her thing at office. Pretty awesome. Now check this out. Legal tip today, South Carolina Real Estate Commission news. Every time I ask agents, how many of y'all are reading these news articles that they send out? This is a newsletter they send out once a month. Pretty much everybody says they're not. Please start reading these things. The commission's putting this stuff out for a reason. The main reason I like to read them is because it really tells me what the commission's kind of pissed about. And this is what we need to know. And so right now, unlicensed practice of real estate is apparently a pet peeve of theirs. A couple things you need to understand. If you have an unlicensed assistant, they can't show real estate, they can't have an open house, and they cannot explain documents such as listing agreements, buyer agency agreement, contracts, repair addendums. They can't be involved in any of that or the negotiation. So make sure your unlicensed assistant's not doing that. Licensed assistant's different. Unlicensed assistant can't do it. Second thing they're all ticked off about is paying referral fees. You can pay a referral fee to a licensed agent, but you can't pay it to somebody you go to church with or somebody you're friends with from your child's soccer team. If they send you a closing, you can say thank you, but you're not even really supposed to even buy them pizza or give them a beer. That's the law. I didn't make it up. I'm just telling you what it says. The last thing you can't do, or they really want y'all to know about here, is property management. You can property manage your own property all you want. No problem with that. But when you are a real estate agent working for a company with a broker, be careful that you don't start also doing property management for a different broker. If the broker is the same, you have a property management company as well as a real estate agency company that sells real estate, and it's the same broker, then you can do a lot of those tasks. We can talk about that later in another legal tip. But if you have this broker doing real estate and then you got a company over here that does property management, you can show those properties at that property management and get paid as the buyer or the renter's agent, but you can't get paid for being the seller or the renter, the landlord's agent. That'd be getting paid by two different brokers. So you got to be careful with that kind of stuff. Property management is just a little bit different when you're a real estate agent selling real estate and you're working for a broker. So be careful. Anyway, you need to read these legal tips. There's a reason they send them out. It's very important. Read these things and it'll tell you what you need to know. It's just like watching these videos should help you as well. If you got friends that want to sign up for the videos, tell them to go to blairkato.com. At the bottom of the website, there's a place to sign up, or they can just email me. And please keep in mind, Blair Kato loves doing these video tips, but we don't get paid for them. We make our money doing closings, so please send us some closings. All right, take care. And I feel like Mike Brady today. I should be looking up at Carol and maybe over at Bobby and Cindy or whoever in my little box. But anyway, have a good one. Talk to you soon.